Hello everyone, in this video I will talk about that how I will run my JavaScript code. So in order to run my JavaScript code, I will be using Snippets. Snippets is an option which is provided inside Chrome Developer Tools. So let's first open Google Chrome. Now let's right click and go to Inspect option. So these are my developer options inside Chrome. Now let's go to Sources option. And here you can see the option of Snippets. And if you cannot see it, then you can simply press on this arrow button. And here you will see the option of Snippets. So you can see that I have already created one snippet with the name of Baburao. So let's click on it. So this is the code inside the snippet, which is console.log Baburao is badass. So now you can simply click on the CTRL plus enter, or you can press CTRL plus enter on your keyboard as well in order to run this code. So let's press CTRL plus enter on the keyboard in order to run this code. So you can see that the output is printed on console. So now let's create a new snippet with the name of Firhera Feri. So now let's write the code console.log Firhera Feri is a masterpiece. So now let's press CTRL plus enter on keyboard, and you can see that the output is printed on console. So now let's talk about that why we use snippets instead of console. And the reason is that when we write some code inside console and when we close the browser and reopen it again, then all our code gets lost. Whereas in the case of snippets, we can save our code inside snippets like I did in the case of Firhera Feri and Babura. And when we open our browser again, then the code doesn't get lost. So now let's write console.log welcome is an amazing movie. And I'm writing it inside console, okay? So now let's press enter and run it. So you can see that the output is printed in console. So now let's close the browser and reopen it again. Let's go to inspect. So let's go to console. And you can see that there is no code present. The code that I have written console.log welcome is an amazing movie is not present. So now let's go to sources. So now you can see that both our saved snippets Baburo and Firhera Firi is present, and all the code that we have written inside the snippets are present as well. So this is the reason that we use snippets instead of console. So now let's end this video here only. And if you like the video, then please subscribe the channel. And thank you so much for watching. One more thing that if you have not watched Firhera Firi, then watch it because it's amazing. You will love it.